Hi everyone. Let's learn how to describe people in English. Let's get started. Tall. She is tall and slim. Short. He is short but strong. Slim. She has a slim figure. Thin. He looks thin after his trip. Dark skin. She has beautiful dark skin. Fair skin. He has fair skin and blonde hair. Dark hair. He has dark hair and brown eyes. Blonde hair. She has long blonde hair. Brown eyes. She has brown eyes. Blue eyes. She has beautiful blue eyes. Green eyes. She has bright green eyes. Beard. He has a thick beard. Moustache. He has a neat moustache. Long hair. She has long hair. Short hair. She prefers short hair. Good looking. She is pretty good looking. Ugly. That character is meant to look ugly. Beautiful. She is beautiful. Average looking. He is average looking. Old. She is old but very active. Young. She is young and energetic. Middle-aged. She is middle-aged and works as a teacher. Elderly. The elderly man walked slowly. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.